Hello, what is going on, guys? It's me, Anafan from seperatedly. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm quickly show you how to use the remote shutter to take photos on Android phone. So let's get started. When you buy a tripod, mostly people will give you away a remote shutter, and you can use this small device to take photos by your own self without anyone's helping. Okay, alright, so let's get started on how to use it. So first step is to turning on this device. On the right side of the device there is an off and on button. Slide it up. After sliding it up, you will see a blue blinking LED lighting. Now this blinking indicates that this device is ready. Now we come into the Android device and start pairing the Bluetooth device with remote shutter by turning on the Bluetooth on your Android phone and start scanning for the device. So here I've already got it. You will see a name of the device. Here is AB Shutter 3. Now you tap on that to pair up the two devices. Alright, so after that, go back and start your Android camera. To take the photos on Android phone, you need to press on this button. The bigger button is for iOS or camera app 360. 1, 2, 3. You can take as many photos as you like. So imagine that you have this hole and you have a key ring like this. Alright, so you're gonna go and put this into your keyring, okay? And that's easy for you to keep it safe. You don't lose it whenever you travel and you want to take pictures of yourself. Alright, after you used to take the photos already on the phone and you don't want to use it anymore, so what you're gonna do is to turn off this device to save the battery for the device. Okay, sliding it down. Alright, and also to remember to switch off the Bluetooth on your Android phone as well. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Anfan from seperatedly, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.